Good morning and welcome to week 5. This is our peer review week. So this week your assignment is going to be to read some of your peers' papers and to give them some response. Kind of the same way that I responded to your draft last week. So if you go into our Google Classroom and scroll down to week 5, you'll see the instructions, including your group members' names. When you're ready to share your document, and you should do that today, I have a sample document here I'm going to use to show you. I want you to go up to this blue share button, because right now your document is probably shared maybe only with me or anyone else you've shared it with. So this blue document, or this blue button, allows you to share your document with whoever you'd like. So go ahead in this add people and groups and choose a person you want to share with. I'm choosing my colleague. And then over here in this drop-down menu, you're going to choose whether you want that person to be a viewer, commenter, or editor. For this assignment, I'd like you to choose editor so that our group members can post track changes. And then here in this message box, type any special notes you have to your readers. Is there anything you really want them to pay attention to? Do you have any special time constraints you're working under? Make that clear to your group so that they can try to meet your expectations. And if you have any difficulty, just let me know. So you're going to press send. I'm not actually going to share this document with my colleague, but that's your first step, and you need to do that today. Now I'm going back over to the assignment. After that, I want you to use or answer these questions to try to guide the comments. And keep in mind that pointing out the writer's strengths is just as important or even more important than pointing out any weaknesses they have. And as you're writing, if you have any questions about something, just tag me in the comment. So make a comment box, and then if you just type my email address, here, I'll show you how to do that. So if this is my blank document, you can choose this commenting bubble here and choose comment. And if you type my email address, you'll see my name pop up. And then you can type a comment to me. And if you assign that to me, it'll go straight to my email inbox and I can answer that question for you right away. Please let me know if you have any questions that come up as you're working through the peer review process. This is really an important part of becoming a good writer, is noticing what you see in other people's documents. You don't see your own weaknesses, but it's easier to see in other people's. So take those things that you're noticing in other people's documents that are working or maybe that need revision and try to build those into your own draft. I hope everyone has a great week.